Hey guys, what's up? It's me, your girl Free Spiritist. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great because I'm doing fabulous. Well, today I'm back again with another mukbang for you guys. And on this mukbang, I tried to recreate some dish that I had at an Ethiopian restaurant. It was called like beef Tibs, and basically it was fried pieces of beef with green peppers and onions and different spices. So I just kind of sort of try to recreate my own version with peppers, onions, and garlic, a little bit of seasoning. I have some naan bread instead of injera, and I made a salad for my vegetable guys. So that's what we are having today, and I am ready to eat because I literally have been waiting all day to have this. So if you guys are ready, I'm ready. I'm gonna give you guys the pan. I'm gonna say grace, and then we're gonna get to eating, y'all. So let's get it, y'all. All right, let's say grace. Lord bless this food and bless the hands that made it. Amen. Let's eat, y'all, short and sweet. Y'all, I washed my hands, so today I'm going to be eating this entire meal with my hands. I also have some dessert, y'all. I got me some yogurt, Noosa, which is one of my favorite brands. This one is the strawberry rhubarb. And for a little bit of spice, I have some green chili chutney that I got from the World Market that I'm going to use to spice up my meal. And of course, water. I have tried everything to stop the sounds that are coming out of this water bottle. I changed the straws, everything, and it's still doing the same thing. So I'm done, guys. So let's get to eating this food. I think I'm gonna go and start with the salad because it just looks so fresh. And I don't know. I just want to start with the vegetables, y'all. So I have here like it's a spring mix with arugula, and then I put some aged balsamic vinaigrette on top. So that's it. It's just vegetables. Lots of vegetables, y'all. That was a mouthful. Mmm. That's good. I really love what the arugula does to the salad. It just gives it like this nutty flavor that it adds. Mmm. It's so good. Mmm. Mm. Let's get into these remake Tibs that I did. Mmm. I got some beef and some green bell pepper and onion. Mmm. That was good. That's like, what I did was like, I used boneless, like country beef ribs. I had a lot of marbleization on it, so the meat was more juicy. I fried them in oil first, the beef, and then this is so good. I'm gonna try some of this chutney. Then so what I did was I fried the beef, and then I put that aside. And put the onions along with the garlic and the green bell peppers, and just sauteed the fried beef with it, just like with very, very tiny bit of oil, just to kind of get the onions a little bit marbleized, just a little bit, I mean, just not caramelized, but a little bit tender. And then I added the bell peppers and the beef. So look at this, just a piece of beef, some bell pepper, grab some of the onion, and I'm going to dip it in this chutney. This is a green chili chutney. Wow. That green chili chutney is so good. Y'all let me know down below if y'all like me to show you how I made it. But it's pretty simple. Nothing major. I mean, I guess the hardest part was frying the meat and waiting for it to get fried and get like nice and crispy on the outside. But simple ingredients. Y'all, I'm really enjoying this actually. It's really, really good. The naan is so soft and squishy. And takes the seasoning from the meat, soaks into the naan bread. It's so good. And then going between that and the salad, because the meat and the naan together, the flavors are wonderful. I'm dropping salad everywhere, y'all. I would have liked to try it with the jerry bread though. Next time, y'all. I'm gonna find where they sell it at the bakery. Green bell pepper. chutney. So what are you guys eating? Please comment down below. Y'all, I swear, this is, to me, that sound is just like, and you know, it's making this sound, and it's also kind of not getting a smooth sip or smooth gulp. Oh, so much better. Man, I've been struggling with this thing. I swear, like forever, and it just won't do that anymore. It just keeps, I don't know why the straw keeps changing positions or what's going on, really, honestly. Ooh, but that was a good sip. Excuse me. So what's up, guys? How's your day going so far? What's going on? Comment down below. Also, guys, I've been doing a lot of food tour videos, y'all. Y'all need to go check them out if you haven't checked them out. They're on my page under food tours. I did some car vlogs as well where I chatted up about certain issues and topics and stuff. You guys check them out. They're all organized. Each page has its title. Check it out and comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. You know, because I try to be, I don't want to be stuck just in one area of how to connect with food, connect to people with food, or connect through cultures with food just by, you know, having mukbangs. I also like to travel, which I have not been able to do, but I'm working towards that, guys. You know, I would love to travel to eat, you know, to try different foods in the different countries and stuff. That's an extension of what my channel is all about. It's connecting through food. So basically, whatever I can do to, you know, bring you guys to new cultures, new traditions, new things, whether it's by going to a restaurant, eating, or traveling to a different country. My whole purpose is just to show how food connects us all. And in that showing, learn more about people and cultures and traditions, and maybe appreciate each other more, you know? To me, with my mouth full of food, food is the ultimate connector. There's so much behind it. There's always a story or a tradition or a culture or a reason why certain dishes are made the way they are, or certain ingredients are added, or certain things in nature are eaten, and why and when. There's so many things behind food. And there's so much to learn from one another and appreciate about each other through food, which is the main purpose of this channel. Connecting people and bringing people closer. And along the way, eating some delicious, amazing food. So guys, you guys watch the videos, comment, let me know what you guys think. And also, comment down below some ideas that you might have. Recipes. Places that you would like to see. I'm open to suggestions all the time. So don't hesitate to comment down below, guys, because I'm always waiting to hear from y'all. Like, for real. And with that being said, please, guys, let me know if you like this video. If you do like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, this is the perfect time for you to subscribe because it's absolutely free. No cost to you. You subscribe, you hit that post notification bell so that every time when I publish a video or when we publish a video, you'll be notified. And with that being said, guys, I'm full. I'm not even gonna lie. Wow. That was so peaceful, y'all. It didn't make a sound. It was just smooth water, gulping. No airy whistling sounds that was good. So yeah, I am full, guys. This was a really, really good meal. And like I said, if you guys are interested in knowing how I made the meat or the tips, please comment down below. I will make it for you guys. Demo video, or I can drop the recipe with the description of how I made it in the description box, which is also great. If you guys want, I can do that. So guys, I am at the end and it's time for dessert. Yogurt time. So I got me some Noosa strawberry rhubarb. This yogurt, guys, this yogurt is like, I don't know, it's super, super creamy. And it just doesn't taste like regular yogurt. It's very thick. And it has like, it's just so creamy. That's what it is. It's the creaminess, you know? And it's smooth. And then it has the fruit at the bottom. And let me tell you something. You are going to eat every last bite of this yogurt. It's not too sweet. The fruit is on the bottom. So you'll really enjoy it. So let me scoop it around, y'all. You will eat every last drop of this yogurt. It is so, look at it, guys. It's like super thick. Look how thick it is. And it's so creamy. Noosa. You guys should try it. I'm serious. Like, go buy some of this yogurt. You can get it at literally every grocery store that sells food. I prefer to eat this over like something like ice cream or something. And I know a lot of people don't like yogurt for different reasons, but man, I love yogurt. And this one is very creamy and the fruit is tangy. It's perfect. was perfect. That's it. So guys, I hope you have an amazing rest of your week. Enjoy the rest of your day. It's almost time for the weekend where we're going to do the weekend dance. Y'all stay safe in the streets. It is still out there, so don't forget to wear your mask. Love one another. Love yourselves. And I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Bye, y'all.